Are you ready to start investing in cryptocurrency, but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll share 5 essential tips to help you make your first steps into the world of crypto safely and smartly. Before we dive in, welcome to Crypto Starters Hub. If you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, you're in the right place. Here, we break down complex crypto topics into simple, easy-to-follow tips to help you get started. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Now, let's get started with 5 essential tips for investing in cryptocurrency. Tip 1. Learn the basics of cryptocurrency before you start investing. It's important to understand what cryptocurrency really is. Crypto is a digital form of money based on blockchain technology. Unlike traditional currencies, it isn't controlled by a central bank. Learn the basics of popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and understand terms like blockchain, wallets, and transaction fees. Tip 2. Only invest what you can afford to lose. The crypto market is volatile, meaning it can rise or fall in value quickly. One of the most important rules for any beginner is to invest only money you're willing to lose. Think of crypto as a high-risk investment, not a get-rich-quick scheme. Tip 3. Choose a reliable crypto exchange. To buy crypto, you need an exchange, a platform where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. Choose a platform that is known for its security and user-friendliness. Popular options include Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Be sure to check reviews and look at the transaction fees before you decide. Tip 4. Safely store your crypto in a wallet. Once you've bought your crypto, it's important to keep it safe. You can store it on the exchange, but it's more secure to use your own wallet. There are 2 types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are online, easy to use, but slightly more vulnerable to hackers. Cold wallets, like a hardware wallet, are offline and much more secure. Tip 5. Start small and diversify your investments. As a beginner, it's wise to start small. Don't put all your money into one coin. Spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to reduce your risk. Besides Bitcoin and Ethereum, there are other coins like Cardano, Solana, or Polkadot that might be worth considering. Diversification lowers your risk. Bonus tip: always do your own research. One last tip, and perhaps the most important: always do your own research. Don't blindly follow the advice of others, not even influencers. Learn about the projects you're investing in and stay informed about the latest crypto news. And that's it for our 5 beginner tips for investing in cryptocurrency. But don't worry, we're just getting started. In the coming videos, we'll be breaking down each of these tips in more detail, one by one, to give you a deeper understanding and practical steps to follow. So make sure you're subscribed and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on those in-depth guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.